Okay, today I'm going to show you the Beretta P4 Storm CO2 air pistol. It's a blowback, shoots pellets and or BBs. And by blowback, every time you shoot, it slides back, chambering another round. Very realistic when you're firing it. I like it. It's light, but it's still got a lot of metal in it. Here's your safety here. Red means fire, danger, and it's unsafe. All you do is pull back. It took me a while to figure this out, believe it or not. I should have read the manual first. Pull back on these grooves here, push up, and it's on fire. Safe. Down here, right here, is your clipper release. Right there. You just press that, and the clip falls out. The clip is kind of neat. It's got two sides. One here, just turn it 180 degrees. One here. And each side holds 8 rounds, so you got a total of 16 rounds on one clip. It's very nice. Already got it pretty much loaded, except for 2 slots, just to show you how easy it was. 1 and 2. Loaded. Slide it back in the pistol. Very nice, very realistic. And right here is where your CO2 goes. Let's pull this cover off. And you can see where it goes. Slide the CO2 in. And you got a black wheel down here. Just tighten that up. There we go, it's tight. And you just close the wheel on the bottom. Like so. And she should be gassed up. I'm going to take the clip out just to make sure we've got air before I start shooting it. Oh yeah, and you see the stick go back there? Really nice short light trigger pull, easy to fire. Put the safety back on. Put the cover back on. Alright, now safety's still on. I'll put the clip back in. Now, I'll show you and take a few shots at the Gammo rocker pellet trap. There she is there. It's got a total of 5 targets. When you hit the 2 targets on either side of the square one, they go up and stay up, and then if you hit the square one right in the center, it'll drop all the targets down, so you don't have to get up and reset anything. Okay, here we go. Pardon my aim, I haven't been practicing too much. I just wanted to show you guys the gun and the target. And here we go. Oh, there's 8 shots. Flip it around. And I'll go for the center one in case I miss the other ones right now, and you can watch it drop. There we go. I think that was my last shot too. Yep. And that's the Beretta P4 Storm. Very nice pistol. I like it.